And we'll hand things over to one of the meteorologists of Eastern Iowa's most accurate weather team to give us an update on the severe weather already in our area.
Yeah, Diego, we do have a severe thunderstorm warning ongoing until about 5:45, so another half hour or so in portions of Bremer, Butler, as well as Franklin County. And you can see this is on the southern edge of a line of storms that extends into northern Iowa and southern Minnesota. We'll take a closer look at this storm right now on our Storm Track 7 live Doppler radar. The strongest part of this storm is right between Greene and Allison, just to the east of Ardale, where we see this pink shading here. This is likely where that hail core is for the potential of quarter-size hail. And there's also the potential for some 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, along with some vivid lightning and heavy rain as this continues to track to the east. Clarksville, Greene, Shell Rock, and Waverly all in the path of this storm. Also Plainfield getting some heavy rain right now. Looks like the strongest part of the storm will continue to stay off to your south. Again, this is going to continue to track east, so estimated timing has this at 5:20 in Allison, so just a few minutes. Cedar River Wildlife Area at 5:37, Waverly at 5:46, Frederica 5:54, Tripola around 5:58, and just after the top of the hour in Buck Creek. So if you're in those areas, you want to seek shelter right now and stay inside. If you know anyone out ahead of these storms off to the north, have them head inside as well, because there's plenty of lightning and potentially 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts. This line of storms will be in Decorah right around 5:30, Calmer at 5:32, Dorchester at about 5:45, Waukon just before the top of the hour, Postville just after the top of the hour, and Lansing at 6:11. So that line of storms will continue to move off to the east at about 40 to 45 miles per hour. A little farther to the south, there's a couple of storms that we're watching. One is just to the west of Tama in Marshalltown. The other is just to the southwest. This one right here has had a history of producing a little bit of rotation, as well as the potential for some quarter-size hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds. The storms moving into Tama County are not severe, but they will be in Tama around 5:33, Elberon at 5:53, Keystone at about 6:02, and Benton High School at 6:11. This is just some heavy rain and lightning, but it's this storm right here that we need to track very closely into Iowa County. This will be around Sheridan at 5:30, HLV High School at 5:55, Marengo at 6:10, and Upper South Amana at about 6:19. And again, this storm right here is potentially producing some quarter-size hail, as well as the potential for 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. This is all ahead of a cold front that is going to continue to move off to the east. So as long as eastern Iowa is ahead of that front, we are going to keep the severe weather threat with us. In fact, we do have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect in northern Iowa until 9 o'clock. Southern Iowa, that severe thunderstorm watch goes until about 11 o'clock this evening. Looking off to the northwest in Waterloo on our Storm Track 7 live weather network, we can definitely see those darker skies, so just be weather aware over the next few hours. Those temperatures really warmed up after that rain moved out. So threat tracker in the orange with that severe thunderstorm watch in effect. Tomorrow, actually going to be a pretty nice day. It will be windy with mostly sunny skies. There's another chance for storms as we head into Tuesday. So Future Track has a pretty good handle on these storms moving through here as we head through the evening hours. You can see in the next hour or so, this will be around Waterloo, Owine, Elkader, and then after that, it's going to continue to track off to the east through Independence and Manchester. By 8 o'clock, this could be approaching Dubuque as well as Cedar Rapids. And then between 8 and 10, this will quickly track off to the east of the Mississippi River, and our severe weather will come to an end, so you can rest easy tonight knowing that we will not have any severe weather. Here's your city-by-city forecast for Waterloo, Dubuque, Cedar Rapids, and Iowa City. Temperatures really take a nosedive tomorrow, upper 60s to low 70s with low humidity, and then we warm closer to 80 here as we head into Tuesday with low 80s on Wednesday. Tuesday night will be the next chance for rain, and then after that, looks like a better chance for rain with some warmer temperatures as we head toward the end of the week.